What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and today's video we're gonna learn how to create this amazing effect on Canva, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, let's get things started. First, go to your design, set it into the size that you need, okay? In my case, it's gonna be an Instagram photo. Then you can go to elements on the left sidebar of menus and click on shapes. And I'm gonna use this square right here, okay? Let me adjust the square just like this. I think right here is okay. Then I'm gonna change the color of this square from this purple to a dark color, just like this. Then I'm gonna use text layer, okay? So I'm gonna click on text, use title, and type the city name. In this case, gonna be Bali, for example, okay? Let me make it bigger. And let me adjust the color to the same dark color, okay? Then I'm gonna click on the text and I'm gonna change the font and use this one right here, Pacifico, okay? This is an amazing font, a very stylish one. Let me make the text a little bigger. I think right here is okay. Then I'm gonna click on effects and go to outline and increase the thickness just a little bit. I think right here is okay. Then I'm gonna change the color to white. Here is my actual result, and I'm gonna select this both. Review the upper right corner of your screen on share, click on it, click on download, and download it, okay? After downloading, you can delete it, go to uploads into the left sidebar of menus on your Canva, upload your file, add to the design, just like this. Then you can go. Let me just upload the proper one. I don't think it's this one. It's this one. Then go to photos, search for the city that you would like to share. In this case, in my case, it's gonna be Bali, and select this other image. Leave it like this and go to apps into the left sidebar of menus and type blend image, this one with the big B, okay? And select this one right here, the text layer. Click on choose file into bottom layer or use a selected image. Top layer, we're gonna click into the photo and use selected image on top layer. Then make sure that yours is set as screen into the blend mode. Click on adjust top layer, and right here you can change a couple of positions, and I would like to change the horizontal offset to move it like this, okay? After this made, click on add to design, remove the image, remove the text, and adjust just the content like this. And here is the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!